Hey, this is Mike Harrington. I run Authority Advantage Group. We do lead generation and marketing for attorneys and other professional services firms. I just wanted to give a quick testimonial for Ed Stapleton and Geek. We've been working together since last year, and he really helped me with a few of my campaigns. One of the most successful ones was, an immigration attorney of mine, and we boosted her number of monthly leads by over 500%, and she's on track to double her revenue. And it happened pretty darn quickly, and the quality of leads have been there. So just wanted to say the results have been solid, and working with Ed and the level of service and kind of, if I had any questions or anything, he's always been available, and it's been really awesome. So yeah, I'll be continuing to work with Ed and Geek for the future, definitely. And if you've got PPC campaign you want to do, those guys are definitely experts, and I wouldn't hesitate to reach out to them. All right, take care. Bye.